Welcome to the YouTube channel Technology Era. In this video, we are going to discuss about some overview of Uipath Studio. Basically, why we should use Uipath Studio with compared to other robotics tools, how it is easy, and why most of the organizations are using this Uipath Studio to automate processes like data entry, data manipulation, documentation, email sending, data maintenance. There are a lot of processes to be automated by using this tool, and that is too much easy. And just other programming tools, how they are difficult with compared to Uipath. Just we are going to discuss about this. So let's start. See, one of the easy thing is in this tool that all activities are ready-made. Okay, just need to have your programming skills to be strong. Your programming concepts like loops, like for loop, do while loop, and for each loop. These loops should be very strong. Your programming knowledge on these should be strong. And the other thing is collections. Okay, in which scenario we should use which collection, that decision power you should have in your programming skill. Basically, if these two skills if you having, then you can become easy RPA developer. So other things are just creation objects and following the steps as per the scenarios. What is the requirement, that is depend on that. And these are some activities you can just drag and drop in your workflows, in your sequences. You can give conditional sequences. Okay, all the activities that is connecting to database, removing removing data connection, disconnecting, creating data table. So these are the operation you can get day by day in your Uipath programming. And other thing is just writing the Excel, just playing on UI of the web browser. So these are the things you will get day by day once you enter in the RPA field. That is the one of the most easy and advantage of Uipath Studio as programming perspective. And other thing is all the recordings you will get here. If you are automating any process on UI, so UI Explorer, you can get code of selectors, you can record that code. Okay, and other thing is you can record step by step, and you need to just follow the steps as per the requirement, what are the processes in your bucket. So that's it about the web recording. So if there is a data scrapping, if you are scrapping data from any PDF, that is in text format, image format, so to read that kind of data you can use data scrapping. There are some OCRs. For OCR session we will have another video, so stay connected with us for the OCR related videos. Screen scraping, you can record the screen. As in last video we have already discussed how to automate how to automate a process on emulators like IBM Communication, Uipath emulator, then Uipath's internal emulator, and again some ILAP emulator. So these are the type of mainframe applications. On that mainframe applications, Uipath do the automation. Uipath can do the automation. So all these type of Windows application, web application, or a PDF related automation, that can be done by using this Uipath, and that is too much easy. Okay, and one more thing, how we can create the variables and arguments. Okay, so that part is over here. Basically, you don't need to create any variable like codings, like how we create in .NET or Java. We can just give the name of variable. Just let me create one string here, sample. Okay, and by default I am creating one argument. Let me go in, argument is selected over here. Let me go in variables. Okay, one argument got created. This is the direction basically from which workflow to which workflow we are passing that argument. We can invoke the workflow by using invoke workflow activity within the workflow. So for that purpose we can create the arguments and we can pass arguments from here. So, and this is the basically window for the variable creations. We can create the many more variables in this window. These are the data types basically. What are the data types exist in .NET framework. So all these objects, all these collections, whatever the presence in .NET framework, those all are here. Okay, so just conclusion is UiPath is too much easy tool. So move towards RPA for the your career as a robotics developer. So that's it for in this video. So please watching our YouTube channel and please subscribe and stay tuned with us. Thanks for watching video. Thank you.